Good evening. مساء الخير. Today is September 22nd, 2025. النهاردة 22 سبتمبر 2025. And we are at Rodeo Grill House and for dinner. And this place has bird cages that people can sit in it and have dinner. احنا في مطعم اسمه روديو جريل ستيك ريستورانت مطعم، وهنا في قفصة بتاعة العصافير على شكل الأقفصة بتاعة العصافير، وفيها ترابيزات وكراسي والناس ممكن تتعشى جوه. Those bird cages, people can sit on the table inside it with the seats and have their dinner there. It's a really special place for that. مكان خاص قوي. I will show you what it looks like. I'm just checking also the light. The light gets dark as I go around. All right, so I'm gonna switch now to show you what it looks like. And so here is the bird cages. That's what it looks like. They're very beautiful. See, many of them are around, and each one has a table inside and chairs. كل قفص عصافير بيسموه قفص العصافير في ترابيزة جوه. Has a table and chairs, and I think they're covering all the chairs. مغطيين الكراسي لأن الدنيا شتاء, because there was quite a bit of rain these days, so they're covering all the seats with a plastic cover. Okay, now I'll take you inside to show you the restaurant from inside. دلوقتي هوريكم المطعم من جوه شكله ايه.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday, and right now you can save 50% off for a family of 4.
Okay, thank you for sharing. That's the name, Rodeo Grill. And here is the restaurant. Here is Lee waiting for the dinner. Did you put the order in? Oh, okay, that's good. I did tip outside the bird cages. Now I'm gonna go around the restaurant. Now I'm gonna take a tour around the restaurant. I'm taping you. You good-looking man, you. Yeah. Here are the bird cages from inside the restaurant. It's a busy restaurant, very busy. المطعم مشغول على الآخر. Okay. And what's here? Let's see. It is where the cook is preparing his cooking. Very nice. Here is the first appetizer.
Molleja.
This is molleja, and it's veal,
Yes.
sweet bread.
Bread with chipotle sauce on top.
What he said. Thank you. Right. Here it is. Okay. And this is the clam chowder, cream of clam chowder. All right, all done. So this is what we ordered. It is the Princess Burger, and it has eggs on the top of it. Eggs or cheese? Oh, it looks like it is cheese. Okay, very good. And this is my sirloin steak. Perfect for me. Just steak and vegetables. I love it. This is the dessert that we got. I'm not sure. This is brownie with ice cream. It looks awesome. Okay.